Hey, 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 yo, what's up? What's up, everyone? It's your boy. What did you say? What? You did not. You did not hear it? Well, you don't have to hear it. How you doing, gang? Yesterday, 2 hours? Yeah, I'm not proud of that. I should have looked into German yesterday, but I did not. I did not. But today, bye bye, be back, be back. Now my thing is hiding this part of the screen bad? Don't think so. Oh. Okay, so like the title is read, algebra, linear algebra, and what is the was it the term analysis? Yesterday, I do remember root test, ratio test, and comparison test. But also, another thing to keep in mind was all the all the equations were we were checking for absolute convergence or divergence, right? Absolute. So, let's see what's happening, bro. Just a minute. Why would you open WhatsApp up here? God. Bro, some of these music are just fucking stupid. Nah, you ain't cooking. Sometimes some people ain't cooking. But other times they do be cooking. Okay. So I was solving the second part of first question yesterday. Oh, fuck. So if I do this, we're gonna change the camera. But before I change the camera, I got a really important email from Google. Yeah, I got an email from Google. How do you get an email from Google? I don't know. I got it. Let me just confirm what the email was. It's a lot of Google security alert, yeah, but there is a good one though. Oh, come on, I lost it. I can't lose it. I don't see where, I don't remember where that email was from. I don't remember. Oh, it was just, okay. Oh, it was just like, oh, you've been selected for, okay. I thought it was like Google was giving me special consideration. It was just that you could use special AI features for a month. Nah, I'm okay. I'm good. I don't like special AI features. You feel me? Just for a month? Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm a good. Did I solve the question? Or did I just stop at comparison test and I got 1? So that means the series absolutely converges as the series acts exactly like. So I need to start with writing or asking what are. I would like to ask, can you explain how the different test works, like the ratio test, the root test, comparison test, mainly how we can interpret from the results after these tests. Yo, Vivian Petrucci just uh, gave me the shit emoji. Yo. Yo, I hope everything's going good for you, gang. I hope so. This test measures the growth factor. Ratio test. Okay, ratio test measures the growth factor. If the result is less than 1, the series converges. Absolutely greater than 1, series diverges. The test is inconclusive. You must try a different test, like comparison test, because the ratio test cannot determine the fate of the series at this specific boundary. Okay. Root test. The final answer is less than 1, then the series converges absolutely. So that's same. Greater than 1, series diverges. Okay. Equal to 1, inconclusive. So it's almost the same. Comparison test. L is a finite positive number. Two series have a shared fate. If your simple series diverges, then your original series also diverges. It depends on the power of the stripped down series. Okay. I need you, the manager. I need to make a small difference. Just a very, very small difference. I'm gonna change the camera settings because you know we gotta change it. I gotta write some stuff. Why am I already tired? I'm not tired. It's just. Whoa! Now I am flipped. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's like the wide angle. Oh yeah, it's the wide angle. Okay, makes sense. Makes a lot of sense on why it looks like this. Test for conversions of infinite series. Root test and ratio test both are similar. If I understand, they both are similar. Both are similar. Oh, no way, we got studio light. Nah, I don't want to add too much stuff on there. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna post a video, but I need thumbnail. And why am I focusing too much on this? Because I feel like I can. Failed. Why is it failed? Dum, ch, dum, dum, ch. Diverges, right? Test inclusive. I like that. Tired of love, just wanna go home, wanna go home. Whoa, I'm so tired of love, so tired of love, so tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh. Limit comparison test. Yo, Mateo Legit, how you doing? Big octaedric large equator creature. Let's go. Bullock, let's go. How you doing? I'm guessing you're done with the garden work? Because yesterday, if I remember, you had some work in the garden. In the garden? You're right there. Wakim, hello. Hello. Polak, yeah, I'm doing good. Good to hear that. I'm done. Wakim Ahmad, halak, hi cracker. Cracker. That's basically the name. Let's go. Okay, limit comparison test. What does it do? Initial series. You did the work, but you need to do it again. You have to do it again as in you haven't completed the work, or you have to do it again when when the grass grows up. What are you doing? I'm basically right now I should have been preparing for my exam, math exam, but I'm also editing a thumbnail in the background, which is kind of, yeah. I should be preparing for math. I am preparing for math right now, but I just need to make one image. Okay. You're also preparing for your exam. Oh, what exam? We got GIMP. We got GIMP, and we got entry test MD cat. Oh, okay, okay. You have to prepare for the exam. Okay. But when I'm talking about the garden, I do not mean that I like gardening. I just had to do it, or else the garden would be ugly. And no, I mean there probably will be more work with the garden, but different. Okay, I understand. Yeah, it's not just plucking the grass, right? There are more stuff. Understandable. I also have worked in the garden, or you could say on land. Yeah. Medical college admission test. Oh, when is the exam though? So I want to add a layer. Okay, I can't add a layer. Please say hi to my sis. Hello, Joaquim's sister. 12 days to 365 days? Let's go. Yeah, that's good, but again, I gotta make use of those days though. New layer. No, white. Okay. Okay, now I gotta move myself. Oh, come on. Just this. Tools. Transform tours. My exam. It's for math. It's like math 2. What are the topics that's gonna be in the exam? I'll let you know. Let me pull it up. I do have a little bit of the algebra. So I got linear algebra and vector geometry, series and approximation, multivariable calculus, differential equations, and vector fields. Yeah, those are the main thing. Yep. Hope you pass it, bro. Yeah, I should pass, bro. Your class or grade. It's for university, first year university. I mean, you're very smart. Oh, appreciate the compliment, but I don't know. I would say more practice plays more role than. I think you never said that you didn't pass when I was watching you. Yeah, I do fail a lot of subjects. I failed inorganic like 4 times. General chemistry, I failed on my fifth attempt. Math 1, I failed. Math 2, I failed. I gotta pass it again. So I'm failing a lot of subjects left and right. So what was your score in college? Average grade? I think it's just pass. My average grade is really low. I'm barely making it. But hey, that's because I am still not planning accordingly. Your subject is biology, really. I'm also really interested in biology. Next, from September onwards, I could start my second year, which I have a lot of bio subjects. I could pull up the curriculum so I can also see what are the biology subjects that I look into. So if I'm from this September onwards, I could look into biochemistry, biochemistry laboratory, biochemistry project, biological chemical, biology of microorganism, methods in molecular biology, cellular biology, and genetics. And fourth semester, I got biochemistry 2, biochemistry lab 2, biological chemistry project 2, academic writing for cross-border studies, biomolecular NMR spectroscopy. Shit, I still haven't completed NMR, so I gotta learn that one. Biostatistics, informatics. Okay. But I don't think it's similar to how it's for medicine. This is not similar to medicine. Medicine is like 5 years, 7 years, right? Where are you from? I'm from the land of the spice. Land of the spice. Where's my mouse? Okay, I need to transform tools. Scale. Okay, we got a scale. I like this. It's fun. Keep. Okay, we move it here. Okay, and I gotta get to myself. Yo, good luck on the studies, gang. I was preparing a thumbnail, don't worry. I think I'm done with the thumbnail though. The rest of the text I need to add is, I can just add it. That's good. That is good. Save. Export. More part 63. B of k equals what? It's not initial series or expression. B of k is it's like a stripped down version of yo. Matthew, legit appreciate you for checking out the stream. That means a lot. Respect. Just a minute. A lot of water. Why you always just studying? I really wish I was just studying. I really wish I was studying. But right now, do you know what I'm doing? I'm posting a video right now. I was not even studying, but hey, I guess I understand what you meant. Why am I always studying? Because I got more exams to pass. I haven't fully passed all the exams. Even after that, I think I still got more stuff to do, more stuff to learn. Abdullah Extreme, how you doing? How you doing? I mean, just lock in once and for all and complete your daily target quickly. Yo, appreciate the motivation. Not gonna lie, I should lock in. I can't just be. I'm just gonna lock in a bit. Got. What am I posting? Basically, I used to have a series called More 5 minutes of Reddit, in which I check out specific subreddits for 5 minutes. And it's been a long time since I done one. So I was like, maybe. I just woke up and I was like, okay, I need to do one. I just did some random shit. I just looked into a random subreddit. I'm not proud of it, but hey, it's been a long time since I've done one. It's like a fucking. It's like a joke type of video. How would I say joke? It's like me checking out a subreddit. That's it. Okay, I just posted it, so I'm done with that. Math, math, math. So limit comparison test, and you have 62 parts of that. Well, 63rd is coming in today. I wish I could find more subreddits, but I'm not getting any weird ones. So in the limit test, what would you? I know what this test is, but I'm gonna be the first person to watch that video. Yo, just so you know, I just woke up and that was the first thing I did. So it might not look really exciting. I know what this test is, but I would like to have a proper name and explanation for the BK used for comparison test, and also mention what determines the BK be converging or diverging. Is it out? I don't know if it's out though. Oh shit, it's out. Okay. Yo. In your coursework, there's a series BK and the limit comparison. Comparison series is almost always the P series. Proper name and explanation. It's the comparison series. Okay, it's the initial series. It's the comparison series. Series / expression. Based on A of K. The term BK is a comparison series which serves as a striped down simplified version of the striped down simplified version. Its purpose is to capture the assigned topic behavior or how the series. Good terms. Capture the assigned topic behavior. Dominant term rule. How the series acts when K becomes infinitely large. Yo, why is the screen looking so bad? Like what? It looks so bad. Is it because my camera is very dusty or some shit? No. It still looks a bit weird. Maybe it's the brightness? Maybe it's the brightness. So how the series acts when the K becomes infinitely large. That's what the assigned topic behavior means. Not just the P of BK is not just dependent on how big the p-value is rather also where the term with the p is at in the BK, like if the term is in numerator or denominator. Just mention that too. So k in the denominator limit k tends to infinity 1 by k raised to p. K is k in the numerator. Limit k tends to infinity k raised to p. Okay. Why the music stop? Oh, it was ads. And p greater than 1, series converges. I think I got a very good visual representation for convergence. Oh no. Beep, beep, beep. It's convergence. P greater than 1, series diverges, right? P greater than 1, series diverges, right? Yeah. Now, for divergence, what would be a visual representation? It's yeah, you could say it's going away, but on the numbers perspective, it's after every value of k, the result just gets bigger and bigger. Yep, that's some more divergence. P less than 1, series converges. That's about the series convergence and divergence, okay? Now, limit k tends to infinity, a raised to k by b raised to k. If L greater than 1, or a positive, let's just say L greater than 0, right? Number AK similar to BK at k at infinity. And BK depends if your simple BK series diverges, then your original series also diverges. L equals 0, L equals infinity. You pick the wrong comparison series. The two series are not acting the same, and you must pick a different BK, usually re-identifying the highest powers of k in numerator and denominator. with the Father. I got and walk with the Son. I'm gonna stay and walk with the Holy Spirit. Hell and war. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Whoa. Oh, man. Yo. Yo, I'm back, brother. I still watch you here. I didn't left. Respect. But I don't know why I cannot hear your chats though. And it's not showing up here too. What's with that? That's weird, Matthew. Legit. I don't know what happened there. If L equals 0 or infinity, you picked the wrong comparison series. Okay, so it's not actually 0. Yeah, I wrote it's... Oh, shit. It's not 0. It's greater than 0, yeah. If L equal to 0 or infinity, usually... Wait, I picked the wrong series? So it's a mistake from my side. So basically, it's a mistake from my side, and there's no interpretation if I get the L equals 0 or infinity. Infinity? Infinity? In both cases, you haven't find the dominant behavior of the function to get full marks. Theoretical interpretation, information from the outside the source. Mathematics are actually one-sided, though they're less commonly used in introductory math. If the limit is 0 and your comparison series converges, then you can technically conclude that your original series also converges because your series is even smaller than the series that is already settled on the sum. If the limit is infinity and the comparison series diverges, then your original series also diverges because it... So what if... So will there be case on the initial series not behaving like the stripped down one? I did this, right? Okay, now let's move to the next question. In the context of limit comparison test used in the material, the original is much smaller than the stripped down. If this occurs in your comparison series, it's just large while the original series shrinks faster. The mismatch in the original is much larger than the stripped down. If this occurs in your original series, the strip down method works perfectly for fractions made of polynomials. However, if the series involves exponentials or factorials, you cannot strip down. as the initial expression could hold exponential or factorials. Summary for procedure of solutions. Investigate for convergence. Let's see if I could solve it on my own. Sigma k equals 1 to infinity. This time k equals 1 to infinity. There is no 0. K raised to 9. I guess it's the ratio test, right? What was the rule? X raised to a plus b equals x raised to a times x raised to b. Okay. Yo. Matthew Legis says you're at 2%. I'm guessing the phone batteries? You're gonna watch? Yo! Yo, charge the phone, gang. Charge it. Not like charge and watch. I'm just saying it's not good to let the phone die. It is not healthy or it's not good for the phone. Yeah. 3. Okay, sure. Yeah. 3 by K. So goodbye, I guess. Yo, respect. Respect, game. Respect for checking out. Yeah, you bet. It's better to charge it. 3 by K. And the K increases. 3 by K. Bye. Respect. So K tends to infinity. This gets to 0, right? Zero. If it's 0, how does it perform? God damn. I did not write it. I did write it. If it's less than 1, the series converges absolutely. The series converges. Yo, That's it's like the classic Kick chat. This is what I get on Kick. Oh, homie, yo, homie, you want to get $1,000 every day? Add me on Discord, bro. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Get the fuck out of here. Oh man. So the series converges absolutely. Absolute. Okay. What's the next question though? Integral or sum k equals 0 to infinity 3k raised to 7 by 4k raised to 8 minus 1. This time I think I could do the comparison test, right? One by k. Limit k tends to infinity, ak by vk. L equals positive, therefore AFK behaves similar to BFK, converging. K equals 0, infinity, minus 1 raised to k, 1 by 7k. Ratio test? Yeah, looks like it's a ratio test. Negative number. Converges. Investigate for convergence and absolute convergence. That's where I'm like, okay, what are the changes I need to make? Like, I need to get the -1 to +1. That's what it's all about. Search for convergence and absolute convergence. Oh, does the -1 affects how the series behaves? Let's see. It should be k raised to k raised to 8. I'm saying 7 root k raised to 11 is k raised to 8. That's what I'm saying. Let's see if that's correct. K raised to minus k raised to 11. 777, yo. So it's not 8. Actually, not 8. 77 minus 1, 76. 76 by 7. Okay, okay, think. How do I get to the ratio part? Investigate for absolute convergence. What? How did we go from? I thought so. It's comparison test. Gotta write that down. but okay, I see it now. But you only checked for absolute convergence by you finding the absolute. But what about oh, can I see if the answers I did are correct for 2? Series is divergent. Did I write divergent? No, I wrote convergent. I got 1 by k, yeah. 1 by 7? No. Since a of k does not go to 0. I got it as convergent. You used the comparison test. Yeah, I also did the comparison test and it's divergent. Okay. I got it as convergent. Again, it's 1 by k. One by k means more values of k, smaller results, which means the series converges. Because it has to behave similar to the stripped down version, and stripped down version is a convergent series. The last one, hence convergent. Okay, so I got the last one correct. So did it ask? No, it asked just check for convergence. Okay, that was correct, but the first 2 are not correct. Okay, I got the second question. Let me know. What did you get? Diverges. Did I get diverge? No, 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 no. So L is less than 1. If L is less than 1, according to the ratio test, I should go for series converging. Three raised to k plus 3. Cancel. We got the 3 at the top. Then we got k raised to 9. Okay, plus. Wait, what did I do there? What did I do there? Oh. I see. I see. I see the mistake. I see what I did wrong. Cancel 3 by 3 times. K plus 1 whole raised to 9. Okay, k by. What? K tends to infinity. L equals 3. Series diverges. Okay. Okay. I give in. I get it. You know what? I'm not gonna look at the answer for the second one. I'm gonna do it again. Because I feel like maybe I could figure it out this time. Yeah, I can. Because my stupid ass did not do it as I thought it would. Should have been doing. 3k raised to 7 by 4k raised to a minus 1. Can't, like, okay, when it comes to exponents or factorials, that's when the comparison test comes in. We use comparison tests. Okay, that was right. Implies that series is divergent. How? Yeah, I also used the comparison test. Diverge? How? How does this diverge? I thought it converge. How does P of K smaller the how is this? How is this diverging? Yeah. One by K is a famous harmonic series. There are two different limits at play here. They mean different things for exams. Limit of terms is a basic requirement. If the terms didn't get to 0, the series would diverge immediately. However, just because they go to 0 doesn't guarantee the sum will stop growing. As we discussed regarding the exercise sheet, the fate of the series depends on the speed provided by the exponent p. So power 1 is also considered as a slow decay. I did not know that. I did not know that. P is greater than 1. Series converges. Less than or equal to 1, it diverges. Okay. Yo, ATX Moon, we live. Let's go. How you doing? feel like I should get a coffee. I feel like I should eat something. You know, a lot of feelings. A lot of weird, stupid ass feelings. I think it's all part of procrastination. Procrastination. This part. Grenzurchwertkriterium. Grenzurchwertkriterium. Ich muss das ernähren. The behavior of the stripped down series depends on the balance between the highest powers of k. After simplifying your fraction to its simplest form, you interpret it as follows. If k is in the denominator, this is the most common result for convergent series. It is a p-series and the behavior is determined by the p-series rule. Converges if p greater than 1. This means the denominator grows fast enough to make the term shrink to 0 very quickly. Example in exercise 1, the series strips down since 3 greater than 1, it converges. Okay. It occurs that the highest power of the numerator is greater than, if p is greater than 0, k is in the numerator, the series will diverge. Okay, that I wrote that. K is in the denominator. Even k equals 0. Well, p equals 0 still results in the k being diverging. Yeah, it's because 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus blah, 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 okay. But what about k less than 0? What if the k is in the numerator, but the power is negative. If you strip down comparison series result in k in the numerator with a negative power, it is mathematically identical to having k in the denominator with a positive power. The negative exponent tells you take the reciprocal of the base. Okay. So if k is again negative, then that means the series diverges. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. 0, 0. Zero. That was what I was missing. 0. So if I'm using the comparison test, series diverge? What? I'm still having a hard time thinking that series diverges. Series converges? What? If it's in the numerator, p is greater than 1, it converges. It's less than or equal to 1, it diverges. Okay. That's so weird. Diverges. Even though k is in the numerator, the decay is low, so it's kind of concerned. Kinda results in higher or increasing value. K tends to infinity. I don't know. Like a 1 by 1 million is going to be a really small number. Just a minute. Physically fit, physically fit, physically physically fit. I hate that there's a space here. God damn. But again, if I'm wasting my time on that space, then we lost the plot. Lost the plot. Ratio test or comparison test. The fuck did I just do now? No, that's the stupidest thing I ever done. Series. Converges. Now if we do for absolute, it's gonna be the same, but I just need to know which part do I make the difference. Okay, okay. Let's just say -1, it was something like -5 or minus k minus. Pi raised to k, okay. So I got the answer for convergence part, like absolute convergence. Converges. How's the next one? Sum of k equals 0 to infinity. K squared minus 3 raised to 5. Okay. Let's first check for convergence. Yo, high no next. Yo, when did you type in that? Yo, I'm sorry, gang. I did not see it. There used to be a reminding, like there used to be a text to speech audio which I would be able to hear, but I'm not hearing it. I don't know why. I was doing this. Yeah, fuck. I forgot. Ratio test. No, not ratio test. Comparison test. By K? Is that how they solve it? Conversion, did I write? Yeah, converges. Okay, 1 by K, okay. No, diverges. Should be. Oh yeah, not converted, okay. But it's convergent due to Leibniz criterion. Okay, we're making up rules now, huh? So it's not diverging. No. Okay. Well, I'm gonna end the stream, gang. I gotta eat something. Peace out, YouTube. Peace out, Cake. Peace out, Twitch. Peace.